Hey everyone, and welcome to Body Beast. Today, we're talking about how just 10 minutes of exercise at home can boost your health. That's right, 10 minutes. That's all it takes to get started on your fitness journey and start seeing results. So if you're short on time or you just don't feel like going to the gym, don't worry. There are plenty of great exercises you can do at home with no equipment needed. Exercise has so many benefits for your health. It can help you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer, improve your mental health and mood, boost your energy levels, sleep better, live longer. Now, let's get to that 10-minute home workout. Here are a few exercises you can do: jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, lunges, crunches, plank. You can do these exercises in the circuit, doing 1 minute of each exercise with a short rest in between. Or you can mix and match the exercises to create your own workout routine. So what are you waiting for? Get up and get moving. Even a short workout can make a big difference in your health. Here are a few questions to get you excited about exercising. What are your fitness goals? What kind of exercise do you enjoy? How will you make exercise a regular part of your routine? Remember, it's important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. And most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Body Beast for more fitness tips and workout videos.